So hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial of this channel. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such tutorials. And in this today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can make your enemy follow your player wherever the player moves. So this process is very simple, very easy, and you can do it and apply it to your own project. As you can see, this is my player. For reference, let's create a new object, new 3D object, capsule. So as you can see, this is the capsule. And now what we're going to do is add a component to it, add a script. So we are going to need a C# script to make this process working. So let's create a new script as enemy follow. So let's create a script, and as you can see, the script is being created. It will take some time, and tada, the script is created. So now what we're going to do is we'll need to go to Visual Studio. So as you can see, this is a script. For now we are not going to need the start method, so let's delete it. Now we are going to need two variables. The first is for speed and the another one is for transforming the target. So let's create them. Public speed, public float, speed. So the variable is being created. So now let's initialize to something like 1.0 f. So you can check various values as you need. I'm going to initialize it to 1 as I need it. And the next one is a transform, public transform. We're going to name it as target. Tada. Whatever we're going to need is being created. So now in the update method, what we're going to do is for moving the target towards the player, we are going to do what we're going to do is transform dot position equal to vector 3 dot move towards. Now this is a method in which we are going to initialize, in which we are going to list the parameters what we are going to need. First is the transform position. So as you can see, the position is going to be transformed here, and the next is the target's position. So if you are not understanding what is the target for, the target is nothing but the player the enemy is gonna follow. So we have named it as target, so it will follow the position of the target accordingly. And last one is the speed at which it will follow the player. So speed multiplied by time dot delta time. So time dot delta time means the time required from one frame to another frame. We'll understand it as we'll code. So this is it. This is a script what we're gonna need for making our enemy follow the player. After doing the script in the game, in the Unity game engine, you can see the two scripts. The script we created is being initialized with speed 1 and the target is blank, none. So what we are going to do is in this field we are going to initialize it with the player, the game object of the player. So just drag it and drop it over here, and as you can see, it has been initialized. So now let's see if this is working or not. This will take some time. As you can see, the dummy is now following the player at a constant speed as we have initialized it and told it to do. So the process is working.
This is it for today's video. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get regular updates. And